Go inside to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Our idiom, our expression today is, it's what's on the inside that counts. Now, I read a bunch of interesting articles about this. One person took the stance that we should never say that because it undermines people and makes them compare themselves to others and things. I don't necessarily agree. It's Black Friday here in the United States, so most people are out shopping and doing crazy things. I'm an online shopper these days. Thank you, COVID-19. And so I'm not out and about. Besides, I am traveling, and where I am, it has been raining for about 10 days straight. So trying to stay inside and stay dry. So inside track, we're thinking about idioms that deal with, I guess, our core values and what's really important to us and what we show the world with respect to our business. You know, people say it's what's on the inside that counts. Usually when they want to talk about the deeper, meaningful things and the things that make up a person, like your personality, your skills and abilities, your character, your core values, your morals, how you show up in the world, how you treat other people, how you treat yourself, versus what you look like on the outside. So I thought a mask was pretty appropriate for today since it hides my real face. Hides everything, right? They can't even see my body. I'm wiggling my arms around right now, and you can't see because I've got this mask with a black background shining and shadowing everything out. So idioms about what's on the inside coincide with this year's No Nonsense November. Today is day 23 of our or 24. Today's the 25th. Today is day 25 of No Nonsense November. And our topic for today is everything we need is already inside of us. And you may or may not agree with that. Our challenge was to say, do you agree with this? Do you think that you actually have everything you need to create the business you want? Or do you need to think a different way, develop different skills and abilities, etc.? Or are you capable of? I think it speaks to us being capable of creating what it is that we want to create in the world. So inside track, inside job is a little bit more sinister. It means that you have an accomplice on the inside of a crime, inside a group or an organization. Not really one I want to deal with respect to supersizing and growing my business. But this idiom, this expression, it's what's on the inside that counts, reminds me to think about and be cognizant of what kind of a culture, what kind of leader, what kind of systems and procedures and processes we're building in the business as we grow and build and supersize it. Are we encouraging people to be themselves? Are we encouraging them to become a better version of themselves? Are we thinking about our branding, whether it's personal branding or especially the brand of our organization and of our business? What characteristics, what are we trying to show the world as we face it? What are we putting out there? And is it on purpose? Because our reputation, our brand, if we're not putting it out there in a way that makes sense through our marketing, through our communication, and through our interactions with other people, the world outside of us will define who we are and who they think we are. And we want to make sure that we have the biggest voice in that, not other people, especially when we're trying to create and make the world a better place. So love to know your personal experience with this particular cliche or idiom. It's what's on the inside that counts. Do you believe that? I guess I do. I think beauty's in the eye of the beholder. So it's much more important what's inside of us, and we get to decide whether we're going to let that out or not, than what the world assumes and sees. Because I think outside of us, people get stuff wrong a lot. All right, have an awesome day. If I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom, how it can apply to our businesses and growing our businesses, as well as what it means, where it came from. All right, have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow, back with my own face.